Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Right Passenger Side Sun Visor without light in beige. This right passenger sun visor is specifically for the Toyota Tacoma, years 2005 to 2012, without a light and beige in color. This part of your Tacoma helps protect the passenger from the sun or other bright lighting, especially as you're driving towards it. This visor does come with a vanity mirror, along with the shade extension. Sun visors like this can break in a number of ways, from the clips or hinges going bad, or the cover and extender not working properly. So, when a replacement is needed, this one is a breeze to install. First, all you do is remove the plastic cover, locate the OEM screws, mount, tighten the screws. Once ready, put the plastic cover back over the original mount. If you have any questions about this replacement right passenger side sun visor without light in beige for the Toyota Tacoma, please reach out to us anytime. We are glad to help.